Hi folks, welcome to our workshop. People ask me about these windows from time to time. I think they're quite unique to rest of the world spec Defenders. I've not seen them on any TD5s or any hardtops in the UK. And the hardtop, the newer hardtop we had in Belize had these windows. Came in around 2002, I think, maybe 2001. And before that you had smaller ones, so you had ones that were just sort of like this. Our 97 Defender Windows in Belize just had the smaller windows like this. And I don't know if they were aftermarket, but these were certainly factory fit. And I think they're quite cool, and I think they really transform the back of a hardtop. But I guess it comes down to the fact that a hardtop in the UK is not designed and cannot really carry people. Since after whatever year it is when the legislation outlawed bench seats. So it must have only been rest of the world spec Defenders that you can get these on. I mean, they're not cheap. Windows don't tend to be cheap in any case, no matter what you're buying. If you're buying the original unit, you can see here that they're riveted. They're riveted through, so you probably could fit these. You know. Yeah, but as I say, I quite like them. They're quite. I think they're quite well proportioned. Let me know if you've ever seen any of these on TD5 Defender or Puma Defender. Because I don't think they're that common, and I don't think you can get them on vehicles other than rest of the world spec. Actually, on the newer Defender, the one that got rolled, which you'll see in one of my other videos, this whole side here got caved in, and one of these windows got smashed, and I ended up having to replace this with perspex. It wasn't pretty, siliconed it. This one's actually been a bit siliconed down here. Is how you stop them rattling, because there's no real other way to stop them rattling. But yeah, these look at the movement on that. So this thing's not actually clipped in at the top at all. This mechanism, I think it's actually snapped off on the top. Yeah, there's supposed to be a spigot there that goes up into. Spigot that goes up into there. That's snapped off there, so can be a bit of a liability. We actually did have, because these windows could be opened quite easily from the outside, we had some stuff stolen out of the Defender in Belize. We went round to someone's house, parked up, and a few people had like jumpers and some other things stolen out the back, which isn't great. So maybe they're not that great after all. So that's a consideration. Maybe if you've got a hardtop, actually they're not that great because they do rattle. I mean, we used to, one of our managers came out to Belize and he was like, God, these vehicles are so bloody noisy. So he paid to get them all like, you know, sealed up and new felt trims and that kind of stuff because they were just so bloody loud. You got used to it, but it does contribute to that, which is an unfortunate byproduct of having these windows. But yeah, maybe they're probably not that good at after all. Easy to break into, rattle a lot, and but it's a bit better for the passengers when they're in. They can actually see what's going on, and you can get some airflow, which is one of the big things. Because I've been in the back of the hardtop in Ghana. There were 13 of us in it, and it's so bloody hot, like really bloody hot. If you don't have windows, makes a difference. There we go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.